Hellcat.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, well, we are in Manheim. I heard your comments last time, and I heard you loud and clear. You want to see clean titles and cars to run and drive. Alright guys, so first one on the list will be that one right there. But look at this lineup. We got Mercedes all the way to the end over there, all the way to the end over there, back there. This is beautiful Mercedes. Look at it. Wow. But this one is the one that caught my eye. Look at this aggressive front. Beautiful, beautiful engine, I assume. Look at how massive this is. It's massive. 2017 with 9,000 miles. Look at that. You see the interior. Oh wow, and this is paint, by the way. It's paint. It's not, I thought it was a wrap, but it's paint. Look at this gorgeous interior. Wow. And the thing I like about all these cars here is that every single one has keys. So keys are gonna be here somewhere. Well, bam, right there. Let's just move this seat back, because whoever was sitting here is a freaking midget. All right, now this. Come on. All right, see if I can fit. See if I can fit. Come on. Oh yeah, baby, like a glove. Like a freaking glove. All right. Where are the keys thingy? Where you put the key? Where is the key thingy? I don't know. I can't see. Crap. It's not in here. It's gotta be right there. Then why do they give you keys? Why do you have keys? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Check the coolant. It goes all the way to 200 miles an hour. Revs to 8,000. Paddle shifters. Beautiful car. Let's turn it off. Alright you guys, here we got a 2018 G-Wagen AMG with huge brake as well. V8 bi-turbo, twin turbo. Look at this beautiful, beautiful car. AMG G63. This thing is almost as tall as I am. Look at it. See? It's almost as tall as I am. I'm a 6'3". Let me show you the interior. It's only got 2,000 miles. 2,000 miles. Look at this. That's your cup holder right there. 2,000 miles. 4-wheel drive. Look at the seats. Beautiful stitching. Amazing car. And the best thing about it is we got keys. So we're gonna start it up and see what they sound. I've never been on a G-Wagen before. Today's gonna be my first day, and I think it's gonna be your first day as well. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can hear the turbos. This thing is loud. Let's see the engine, because I've never seen it. And I want to see the engine. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. If I can open it. how do you open this thing? Okay, you go this way like that. Okay, got it. Ooh, sexy. Where the turbos at? They're back there somewhere. Beautiful, beautiful engine. 2,000 miles. Handcrafted by Stefan, whoever, from Germany. Hold on. We're back. Look at these headlights. Beautiful headlights. Alright, you guys, so we got a lot to see. Everywhere you look, there's beautiful cars. Left and right. Left and right. Let's just see what else we can find. Something exotic. Okay, guys, here we got a beautiful 2018 Mercedes GT with 6,800 miles. Look at this beautiful, beautiful car, man. It's gorgeous all the way around. I love the color. I don't think that's factory. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. AMG wheels. Huge, huge brakes. Look at this interior. You got the yellow seat belts. Beautiful seats. Beautiful seats. Look at this interior. Amazing. Alcantara seats with leather. V8 twin turbo. It's got the Mercedes symbol on top of the roof. Carbon fiber, by the way. Let me show you the engine. This thing is massive. I love the color. I wouldn't mind to have one of these with turbos right there. Hello. Beautiful, beautiful engine. The only thing that I saw that is faulty is that piece right there. But everything else, it's in great shape. Alright guys, let's move on. Alright guys, here we got another 2018 AMG GT with 1,026 miles. Convertible. What do you think of this beauty? Sexy, sexy car. Look at this rear end. Look at this exhaust. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful. Look at these rims. Look at these brakes. Look at these headlights. The grill. Oh my goodness. Well, this car, I'll show you. I'm not gonna start it because it's gonna sound the same as the other one. There's no point of me turning it on and getting this car dirty. It's the same interior as the other one. Push start, the same. The only difference is this one has the price tag. And the price tag, my friends, it's right here. Ready? It's got 550 horsepower, 502 pounds of torque. It's got additional equipment, $8,000 for the carbon brakes, carbon fiber engine cover, $1,500. The wheels, $2,250. The surround system, $4,500, for a total of $179,000, $565. Yeah, pocket change for some people, but someday. Never say never. Wow, this is a beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful car. All right, guys. Let's move on. From here, we are going to Copar as well. So just came to see a few cars here and there. But my destination was Copar. I just stopped on the way to see what they had. There's no auction today, so there's no point of me showing you more. Another one. Wow, look at this one. What is this? What year is this? Is this paint? It's paint. 2019 Mercedes AMG. Same interior. Oh wow, look at the screen. Huge screen. Oh, I'm starting this puppy. We got keys. As you see, beautiful interior. And it's not paint, it's a wrap. Let me see if I can fit on this. Sorry guys for all the movement. Oh, look at this screen. Can you see that? Let me see if I can show you right there. Oh, bam. Okay, ready? Where are the keys? Oh. I couldn't find the volume. It's right here. So we can stop some of the glare. Beautiful interior. Let's turn it off. Beautiful, beautiful interior. I've never seen one of these before. This car is gorgeous. Look at this steering wheel. It's got the blue LED lights. Look at it. You see that? I don't know if the camera can even pick it up. Oh, they went off already. Beautiful car. Man, every time I come in here, I see these cars. It gets me more excited of getting this channel to 1 million, so I can afford cars like that. And once I can afford them, my cars will be as much yours as they will be mine, because this channel is for both of us. But anyway, like I said, we gotta go to Copart and see what they have, and I'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna make 2 different videos. So this will be the Manheim, and then you'll see the Copart tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Like, share, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.